So our job is to calculate the long side divided by the medium side. This is very similar to the charts we filled in class. So the longest side of our triangle is 7 over 4, and this is for triangle XYZ. So that's the one that's been shrunk down because we had that scale factor of 1/4, and we're supposed to divide it by the medium side, which is 5 over 4. It's slightly longer than our shortest side of 1. And because we're dividing with fractions, we need to flip that second fraction, so take the reciprocal of that second one, and then we're going to multiply. So I'm just going to set it up right below, showing that I'm taking the reciprocal of the second fraction, and I am then multiplying, because what you're asking is how many 5/4 fit into 7/4. So we know it's going to be over 1. Now, if I look diagonally, I can see that 4 and 4 are the same number, which means they share a factor of 4. And when you divide each of them by 4, you get 1. So after I simplify, I can then multiply. So 7 times 1 gives me 7, and 1 times 5 gives me 5. So my longest side divided by my medium side is 7 over 5. So that's my number that I'm looking for. And then I'm supposed to compare it to triangle ABC. So you'll notice that my longest side in ABC is 7, and my medium side is 5. And so if I divide those things, 7 over 5, I end up with the same ratio. The reason for that is that they are scaled copies, and they are similar triangles, so their corresponding sides are proportional in length.